everybody, and welcome back to Yoshi's Crafted World. So in the last episode, we finished the Bird's Bouncy Battle over there, where the arrow is pointing. And now we'll be making our way to the Rumble Jungle with the Jungle Tour Challenge. Super cool. Let's start. Oh yeah. Getting it all ready. Here you go.
Oh, thank you. Sorry about that, folks.
Yoshi. Ooh. Dude.
At 2 p.m. I have to get on the Zoom meeting about our art time.
Okay. Jungle Tour Challenge. Toss eggs at the animal targets. There's a whole lot of them hiding around. Cool. I think we'll need the 3. Ooh, 8,000 points. It seems easy compared to other game show episodes. Ooh, an elephant. Get you. Elephant. Maybe something. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, I see you back there. Ooh, I got some cool points. That was you. No, that's just some. Oh, I see you up there. Ooh, a 20 parrot. Ooh, 50 monkey. Ooh, 50 monkey, get a 50. Oh, I see you back there. I see you, stinker. I think I have to hit my. Oh, no. Ooh, 50 parrot.
100 monkey.
Weebabu. Yeah, I saw that. Weebabu. Ooh, elephant. Weebabu. Ooh, did I get someone cool? Ooh, Ooh, I see a red coin box back there. Got it. Ooh, 50 rhinos over here. Did I get them? Yes. I got the 100 rhino. Okay, I can't even see which target's mine. Yeah, got ya. Ooh, 300 parrot. That's what I wanted to get. Okay, we're at. Ooh, dang it, we missed that monkey. Ooh, hippo, dang it. When Croc's mouth becomes shut now. Weebabu.
Nice. You got it.
Ooh, flower. No, get the flower. You know, this is still a normal level with, stuff. Oh, he was about to go down. Ooh, red coins. Ooh, and another present. Oh no, we missed the red coin. Get the red coin one. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, some coins, more coins. All about the coins. Ooh. No, get that flower, dang it. Oh, we can probably still get it. Dang it. Back there, dang it. I don't think we can get it. Ooh, zebra. I see you back there, Mr. Hippo. I swear I got you. Oh no, I'm out of eggs. Weebabu. Oh, dang it. Weebabu. Ah, get it. Oh, you got it. Flew. Ooh, we're still in the bronze. We need to double the points. I hope we can do that. I wonder if there's going to be like a 1,000 animal. Ooh, there's totally going to be some back there. I'm pretty sure. Ooh, 100 hippo. Ooh, I see ya. Ooh, I almost missed that. Yeah. Need some eggs. Okay. Ooh, I see you back there. Haha. We missed one because, wow, look at all these. The game's really generous. I love it. I don't even notice which eggs are hitting what. Ooh, we're still in the bronze. Ooh, if we want to get that, if we want to win gold, right? Yeah, yes. Ooh, we're in silver. Only 2,000 more points. Do you think we can do that? Right now I'm getting unlimited eggs. Anyone else? Oh, that's it! Aww! Woo! I do, sure do. And the Yoshi.
That was good.
Yeah, we missed out on 2 because we only got 6,000 points. And we missed out on one that we could not get. We too busy with the animals. Still still, got some cool stuff. Did not get hurt whatsoever. Missed 3 red coins, which is probably a red coin box out there. I did grind up coins one time before we started the episode. I did play Bird's Bouncy Battle, and now we'll be making our way to yet another, I think it's a boss battle. Yeah, another place where we can, wait, what was that? Was that a rainbow crocodile? You know, I've noticed in some of the worlds, they give you the golden one is the boss battle you're gonna face in the next world, which I do not really like that because it sort of gives you a sneak peek. But we do not get the gold, so we don't know what it is. I do, but I'm not gonna tell you guys. So we have frog with blue flowers. Next is frog with pink flowers. Pretty. Ooh, jungle truck. Ooh, it's rare. Ooh, point card. I like that. And ooh, snaky. Remember those? Yeah, I love those. Okay, snaky. I got snaky there. Alright. Let's start going here. How many? Ooh, a train back there. Ooh, 20. Ooh, we're low. We only have 13 left. We're low on smiley flowers. Things a bit weird. Alrighty. Oh, you're a cute little dude. You're a little jungle explorer. But you're not that old anymore because, yep, we're on search for gems. Oh, I never saw that little piece in the back for the bullet bills, a little fire. Alrighty, let's start. Yeah, probably chemic. So, let's start up with this question mark in the rumble jungle. Ooh, it's a crocodile. Rumble jungle, question mark. And like always with these boss battles, pick is question mark. So let's get started with question mark. All right. Here we are on a train. Wait, where are we? Oh, there we go. It's a long train. Alrighty. Eyes yawning. Long day, eh? Well, over here. Cute. I love it. I love the graphics on this. Shaco, that sweet rye is bigger. It's bigger than mine, too. I want a bigger train. Your stinkiness, we must maintain our focus if we're gonna find the... Don't kill. I want a bigger train. Mine's not big enough or cool enough. I want a gator train. I want one. Make it for me now. There's no time, your brattiness. We must continue our quest for the gems, or Yanks, Maps, you made me a gator train right now. No manners? Like, gator train right now, please, or something like that. That is out of the question. No fair. Enough! See, this foot is going down! Well, you might be falling off your broom then, because you're on a broom. Okay. So they're fighting, here we are. Yo! Yeah, you! Don't stand there, give me a hand. You're not gonna let Kamek show me around, are ya? Who's the right one, me or Kamek? Well, we're friends of Mario, and, I don't know. What do you think, Daddy? What do you think? Kamek or Baby Bowser?
Kamek.
Okay. We like wizardry. It's cool. Yeah. Oh no. He's mad. Really mad. Seriously? Who asked you anyway? train up. Better wear helmets. Oh, that poor little croc. Is he okay? Ooh, it's battery powered. There you go. Come on, stick it in there. Smack. There we go. Ooh, light up eyes. I like that. Was that like cork? Yeah, cork. Ooh, Shy Guy boxes? Huh. And take it out. Get the train. Put it on the tracks, right? Or is it a flying train? And maybe it's flying because of magic. Woohoo! Here we go. Through the tunnel. Get ready, Daddy.
I'm ready.
The other side tunnel is danger. Down, 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 down. Train cars, slide guys. Do, 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 do. Get a train attack. Do, 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 Gator train smashes. Hit his little mouth on the bandage. Down, 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 down. Gator train attacks! Woohoo! Gator train is clicking and clacking. Gator train is attacking us. Okay, that was from the last boss. Down, 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 Gator train! Down and down, 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 down and down. Watch out for these. Watch out for those rulers. Gator train is attacking us right now. Down and down, 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 Oh no, it's like the colored pencils boss from Paper Mario the Origami King. Aha! Down, 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 down. Ah, what's right? Down, 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 down. Gator train is attacking us. Gator train. Dino smash, I don't know what. What? Stop! What are you doing? What are you doing? Down and down, down and down, watch out! Down and down, the color matches hurt you! Down and down, down and down, down and down. Down and down, wrong way! Down and down, dang it!
Oh, man.
Dang it, too much singing!
I'd say.
Come on, we should eat those Shy Guys more, you know? Come on. That's actually the first time we've actually died on a boss battle, which is cool. That means that our skills, that the boss battles are improving, and that our skills are not. We need hearts. Watch out, he's gonna eat he's gonna hurt the cars. Just keep flying in the air, Yosh! Yosh! There we go, here's the next train. Thank goodness. Down, E. Down and down. Hey! Dang it! Wait, did you eat him? Or not?
Yeah, was not my plan.
Oh, jeez. Ah! Watch out for the rulers.
Yeah.
Wow, I've never seen that before. Yeah! Yeah! That's way better than last time. Oh, I still have 20 health. Oh, no. Right now, I'm just trying to go over to the next train. Come on. There we go. Ooh, it's a pink one. Okay. I got my aim ready. Oh, dang it! There we go. We should eat him from the... Get me out! Get me out! Oh, jeez. Ah. Can't really see because I have a new hairstyle. Oh, yike! Eek! Ah! We got him, baby! Woo! Oh, doo-doo! Do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do-do! Yoshi! Perfect. Alright, we're back. Alright, what's going on? Oh, dead little gator. Poor old dude. Whoa, hey, a pink jump. I love it. Wahoo! Woohoo, we got a dream gem. Hey, Yosh. Do-do-do. Alright, one gem left to go, I think. Go back to the forest. No, it's much brighter. Yep, much brighter. Ooh, one more left. Woohoo! Hey, he's smiling. Cool, it's like his cold is like all better, but almost there. God, how do they have that many gems already? That is it. I'm gonna ambush those stupid Yoshis. You're stubbornness. Listen here, I have a much better idea. Hide out in front of the last gem and... Oh no! Oh no! I know what they're gonna do! They're gonna steal at the last second. Ooh. Hooray! Do-do! So yeah, what that means that that place is complete. 20 minutes already. We're going into outer orbit. Oh hey, it's Grampy Blockfeller. I forgot his name. I'm just calling him Grampy. It's been a bit, hasn't it? Good seeing ya. Looks like to me you got overflowed with gems there. I think there's one just beyond here. Careful there, my boy. Press the button too soon. Whoops. Oh, we don't have to feed, welcome to our orbit. Hey, I guess we don't have to feed any, stuff to you. Cool. So, let's go with the countdown begins in our orbit. Isn't this cool? Yoshi's gonna go in a rocket ship. One small step for Yoshi. One giant leap for Dino kind. So Yoshi's a dino, right? Pretty sure. Yoshi. Eat. Come on.
You don't know where I am.
Is that?
Oh, there I am.
Is that a tuna can? The flying world. To space. Flying into 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 space. Flying right into space. Ow! Oh, I got electrocuted. You can see my bones. I like it when they do that in cartoons. Flying in.
Oh, did you see that? I got squished.
Really?
Yeah, I got totally just like it was kind of gross looking actually.
Really?
Yeah.
It sort of did. Really? I wanna. Ow! Oh, the electrocutes. I wanna get squished. How will I get over there? Ow! Hey! Whoa! Ow, dude! Ah! Flying into space. Got squished. Okay, I'm ready. Oh! Ah! Well, that time I don't. Wait, what happened?
What do you mean?
Wait, did you see your guts?
Well, my head was sticking out. It was the weird part.
Yeah. Okay. Ooh, I think we'll need that for the launch. You know.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah. I think Yoshi has to pay for the bills. It's manned by a shotgun! Up. Over here. Oh, that's so cool. It's like playing, Oh, ow, hey! Claw grabber. Dang it! Get off! Oh, come on.
Yeah, it wasn't so bad.
Boop. Stop, Yoshi! Stop destroying property. Oh, I want it to be like the gross thing.
Get my... Oh man, that wasn't fair.
No, my.
That was gross. Yoshi guts all over. That wasn't fair. Oh man.
What, my Yoshi guts?
Oh well.
I could see your feet.
You're gone.
Yoshi feet! Yoshi feet! Run! I think one of them is like dynamite. Whoa, we're going high. You know, those look like Toy Story clouds.
Yeah?
Alrighty. We have to press this button. No! Oh, and quickly do it. Quick. Oh, dang it. We're not gonna make it? Dang it. Wow! Quick!
Go, slide.
Ah! That was close. Oh, jeez. Press the button. Quick. Okay, you're good. Ah! Oh, no. Oh! What's gonna happen? What? Watch out! Get the button again, quick! Ah! Give that was so close.
I don't think there's anything over there. That was a waste of time.
Dang it. Come on.
You need to stand there long enough for it to be sure that it's
Don't
all the way
worry.
up there. Keep going. Go, 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 go!
I don't think we can get squished. You can get electrocuted. See Yoshi's bones. Really? Want to see Yoshi's bones?
No.
Dang it. Oh, you have to miss a step. You have to jump over a step. Okay. Wow, 2 giant magnets. I love it. Okay, this is probably going to be... Oh, this is totally like the Under Siege. Oh, and we can't press the button. Unless we want to pause. Oh, all these stinkers. We'll press it. I need something to eat. Oh, dang.
Get off of
Dang
it.
it, wrong way. Got ya. But, oh no. The stinkers. Dang it, get him, get him. Get him. Oh no. There we go. Now we're safe. Or are we? Alrighty.
Yes, but for how long?
Yes! Ooh, it's a flower. Oh
Get it
gosh.
again.
Oh gosh. Oh, dang it. I think. Dang it, dang it. Oh, we got it, we got it.
All right.
Wait, this one?
Yeah, must have.
Don't worry, you can go back down and get it. Oh, we cannot. Oh, that's troublesome.
Why can't we? Should be able
Because
to.
look,
Wait.
they're little flippy parts.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Stop destroying property. You know, I think the spaceship needs
I don't know
that.
how I died there for a second. That was weird.
Ooh, here we
Oh,
go. Whoa, we're going to the moon. Whoa. Houston, we have liftoff. All right. Wow, this is so cool, right?
mm-hmm. Oh, I didn't realize we were on. I thought we were. My bad.
One small step for man. Wait. One small step for Yoshi. One giant leap for Yoshi Kai. Wee! Wait. Hey, this is the music from the ocean levels. Come here. Oh, it gets stuff in their masks.
Why are you doing that?
Hold on, watch this. I need to go in here. Okay. Ooh, cool. That must be a souvenir. Woo! Last time we did with platforming. They're all scared, like, help! Ooh, it's a flip timer. This is gonna be. Oh no, it's a Monty Moore one. I hate these. Big dude. Yeah, I got big dude. Cool. We just have you left. Dang it. I knew. Woo! Yeah, we got it. Wait, could I? That'll be. Jump.
Seriously, she does.
Psst, psst, psst. Psst, psst, psst.
Mm-hmm.
I'm headed out
Where you going?
to Target, pick up,
The stuff.
to get some glue sticks.
Here, I think I have an idea.
Look at me wearing a hoodie.
Whoa. It's a little too warm for that, but
Come here.
That was cold.
it's like 70.
60 something, high of 73.
Yeah, it's hot here in the Savannah. All right.
You are. Honey.
Jump! Now! Now go!
Right.
Woo, we're on the
Love
moon.
you, cheetahs.
Bye. Alright. Is there a way to push you?
See when he looks like that with eyebrows? It's so much more funny.
That's funny.
No,
Okay.
I don't want to.
I love you.
Oh, we can!
You're coming.
That's it.
Pretty sure we can push them upward.
Don't understand why we're still here.
I really want to see if I can get these guys. Or, wait. Get on me.
Oh, there's that.
Can we eat? Oh my gosh, I'm such a dingus. We could have just done that. Or we got scared. Dang it, we stopped our momentum. Dang it, our momentum's bad. Huh. Oh! Dang it, that was bad momentum. Watch this. Eat. Oh, I think I see where that comes into play. Where'd it go? He's missing. That was weird.
Maybe they only last for so long.
Because maybe he just respawns in the area he came from. Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
Sometimes I really want to do a ground pound jump from Super Mario Odyssey. Okay, I just jumped the wrong way, but that's okay. Wah! Dang it! Wee! Wah! Wee!
Oh.
That's it?
Huh.
Oh yeah, no wonder the moon
Well.
is so short because the part before that, yeah. I see where that part is short. Yeah, moonwalking on the moon.
Mm-hmm. All
Come-
right.
Down begins. We missed 2, but I got all 20. Cool. Ooh, we're almost there to getting all of them. Cool. So yeah, with that being said, that place is complete. Don't have enough costumes on them, but I'll equip them next episode. So with that being said, the countdown begins is complete. So yeah, with that being said, that is gonna wrap it up for today's episode of Yoshi's Crafted World. If you watched this part of the video, please comment Cheetah, Bullet Bill, and I'll probably remember this one after I watch this.
A snail or something?
Yeah, Snail Daddy. If you watch the end
Daddy
of it,
Snail.
Daddy Snail. If you watch till the end of it, you are a cheetah-rific viewer. Later in the year, check out more episodes like this one on your screen, like this, this moment, or subscribe to join the coalition. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.